Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the new AI effects to your photos in the CapCut mobile. So first, just add the photo that you want to edit and then go to the effect here at the menu and click on the AI effect option here. So here you can enter your own prompt and click on generate, or you can also use the AI effect provided by CapCut here at the top. So I'm going to just choose this and I'm going to select this CG or surrealism, I think surrealism here. Click on that and click on generate. Just wait until the AI effects fully applied to your photo. Okay, so after it finishes, you'll see this preview like this. So just choose which one that you think fits you or you like the best. You can also adjust it or refine the photo if you want. But if you're satisfied with the result, just click on done. So you'll be directed to the editing page. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.